Good morning and welcome to another Tech Tuesday with myself and Courtney.
Hi everyone, the topic this week is Dictation must-have products. So we're going to be going through the hottest products in the Dictation world and we'll be talking about their key features and just a little bit about them. So we're going to kick it off with the first product, which is the Nuance Powermic. Can you tell us a bit about that, Liam?
I absolutely can, and luckily I've got one next to me.
Got one spare.
Now that is planning, isn't it?
That is.
So the Powermic is primarily for speech recognition and primarily for use within the Dragon professional group and Dragon medical software. Key features are noise cancellation on the microphone, which allows for more accurate transcription of what you're saying because it's allowing Dragon to basically filter out the unnecessary background noise. It's also got programmable buttons which you can change within the Dragon software so that you can basically perform functions with it. So, bring up the dictation box, transfer the text, so you're not having to then use the mouse within the actual computer to click the relevant buttons. It also has a mouse trackpad on the front and a left click mechanism on the back. So you could go mouseless if you needed to and still be able to function with the Powermic. Also has a 9-foot long cord. I won't unfurl it, but yeah, that is a 9-foot long cord so that if you do want to dictate and still move around your office, ever so slightly, then you can get away from the desk and still dictate if you need to. It is USB based though, so it does need to be plugged into the computer at all times. Okay,
so what sets this product aside from other dictation microphones?
It will probably be the fact that the noise cancellation on it is very, very good. Very ergonomic as well, so very comfortable to hold if you're using it for hours on end each day. Along with that, the way that you configure the buttons and whatnot is within Dragon, so you don't need a third-party piece of software as you would with like a speech mic for the Philips Device Control Center or an Olympus microphone. I think they call it the Device Configuration Manager. So yeah, it's easy to set up and it's plug and play. So once you set the buttons up, as soon as you open up Dragon, you know the microphone will work.
Okay, great. So the next product is going to be the Philips Digital Pocket Memo. One spare?
We have got one spare.
Hold it up so
indeed, and look, it fits in a pocket.
Oh
yeah, a pocket memo.
Very fitting.
So the Philips Digital Pocket Memo is a digital voice recorder that can be used with the Philips Speech Exec Pro Dictate or Enterprise solutions. It can also be used with third-party applications such as Windscribe, which we also supply. So the features of the Philips Pocket Memo are that it has a 3D microphone in the top, so that basically means that the pickup from it is far superior to competitors. When you place it down on the desk, it will also work out whether or not you're wanting to dictate as in a conference, so it activates the microphones to pick up from a wider range, whereas if you pick it up, it recognises it's in like dictate mode. So again, it changes the microphone function ever so slightly to optimise the pickup for a single speaker. It has memory card functionality as well, as most digital recorders do nowadays, and it has a slide switch on the side, allowing for easy movement and allowing you to pause, start a recording or rewind and listen back to a recording. Along with that, it uses DSS file format, and the device itself can be encrypted, and you can also encrypt the actual dictations on the device.
Okay, so anyone who watched our last week's episode, this will be the voice recorders that we were talking about. Our third and final product is the Plantronics Savi headset.
Yes, so primarily the Savi 700 headset. It will look very similar to this because you can have different wearing styles on it. So this is a wireless headset that can be used for either Dragon speech recognition, or we do have some people using it for digital dictation in cut-up where they don't necessarily want to touch the keyboard or have a mic in their hand. So it's a DECT headset, which is basically how it connects to its receiver. So that basically allows, I think it's 64-bit encryption on the connection between the receiver and the headset, and it means that anything that you dictate will reach the receiver in 64-bit encryption so that it can't be intercepted. Along with that, it has a 300 feet range, so you could, if you wanted, be 300 feet away. You wouldn't necessarily see what you're dictating if you're using Dragon, unless you've got some form of binoculars or telescope. And again, if you were 300 feet away from your digital dictation solution, you wouldn't necessarily know how far into dictation you were. but it's nice to have the flexibility to be able to move around your desk or the office and not be held back by wires. The voice pickup on it is very good. There is some noise cancellation in there as well. And the Savi 700 received 6 out of 6 Dragon Flames for compatibility and also performance with the Dragon Medical and Dragon Professional software. So it is a market leader in terms of wireless headphones. The Savi 700 as well can be integrated with compatible office phones, so you could use it on your soft phone, use it on a mobile phone as well, and then use it for Dragon. So it gives you the ability to integrate with different systems, which is very useful.
Okay, but can the Plantronics headset be used for dictation as well?
Yeah, so you can use it in digital dictation solutions and also speech recognition. Like I say, we do have sites using it for digital dictation with the Olympus software, I believe.
Okay.
So they are our must-have products in the dictation field. So the links will be in the description down below, and if you want to have a look on the website, just follow the links.
Join us next week for our final instalment of Tech Tuesdays. We will be putting Liam up against the Dragon and seeing who wins. See you next time.
Bye.